So here we go with an extra example on this, just to help clarify our understanding. So the first thing to do is factorise each term. Now you can do that quickly in your head if you can, or use the grid. I don't mind which you do. The key thing is that we're accurate. So we've got x squared minus 12 from the denominator of the first bracket of the first fraction. So that means I must multiply to give negative 12 and add to give minus 1. So that's going to be 4 and 3, and the 4 must be negative to get the minus 1. So minus 4x plus 3x, factorising x minus 4 plus 3. So now for our first fraction, we have got x plus 2 over x minus 4 times x plus 3 minus x plus 1 over, and again, if in any doubt, factorise using the grid, x squared plus 6, so they must multiply to give 6 and add in this case to give the 5. So that looks like 3 and 2, so it's plus 3x plus 2x, factorise x plus 3 plus 2. So now, as the denominator of the second one, we've got x plus 3, x plus 2. Okay, so next thing to do is we want, second if you like, to want lowest common denominator. So if we look at these two, we can see that one of the factors is already common. X plus 3 is in both. So we're going to need to multiply this left-hand fraction by x plus 2. So this is going to be multiplied by x plus 2 top and bottom. So we're going to have x plus 2 over x minus 4. Let's just tidy that up. X minus 4, x plus 3 times by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, coming from here. So they're the same. Now we can look at the second fraction. Take away. We've got on the bottom already x plus 3, x plus 2. So we need to multiply that by x minus 4. Yeah, because that is the factor that we are missing. So that x plus 4 must multiply this fraction to give this top and bottom. So we get x plus 1 times by x minus 4. Okay, now we need to tidy that up. So if in any doubt with the multiplications, use your grid again. So we get x plus 2 times x plus 2 is x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So the numerator here is x squared, 2x plus 2x is plus 4x plus 4, all over x minus 4, x plus 3, x plus 2. Minus, our denominator should now be common. If we check, yeah, we've got x plus 3, x plus 2 and x minus 4. And on the top, we can use our grid again to expand, and we've got x plus 1 and x minus 4 to give us x squared plus an x minus 4x minus 4. And that's going to go in here. So we've got x, whoops, let's change the pen back. X squared, x squared minus 4x plus an x is minus 3x minus 4. So this has given us that, and this has given us that bit. Okay, now there's a slight error there, or a chance of an error at least at the next line, because what we've got to understand, it's all of this fraction, all the left-hand fraction minus the right-hand fraction. So these should really be in brackets to help us be accurate. So we've now got x squared minus x squared is no x squared. 4x minus 3x is 7x, so watch out for that mistake. 4 minus 4 is plus 8. All over x minus 4, x plus 3, x plus 2. Okay, so the key thing to this is this first bit up here. Well, we've really got to be careful to get the common denominator. So we look for those common factors. X plus 3 and x plus 3 is in both, and then multiply by the x minus 4 and the x plus 2 as appropriate. Okay, good luck with the homework, which will be exercise 1c, questions 3a, c, e, and then questions 4, 6 and 7. 4, 6 and 7. Good luck with that.